Hey guys, what's up? It's time to do a speed test comparison between the Huawei Nova 7i versus the Oppo Reno 3 Pro. And the Oppo Reno 3 Pro comes with a MediaTek Helio P95 chipset with 8GB of RAM, while the Huawei Nova 7i comes with the beast Huawei Kirin 810 chipset, which is based on 7nm architecture. And also we have a 8GB of RAM on the Huawei Nova 7i as well. And both phones comes with the quad cameras on the back. As you can see, we have a normal ultra wide and a macro lens on both these two devices. So very interesting to see who is perform faster and who is best for you. And in my country, Oppo Reno 3 Pro, it is a lot expensive phone than the Huawei Nova 7i, so very interesting to see who is faster there. So let's find out in this video. Let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. Low camera first, little bit faster on the Oppo Reno 3 Pro, followed by the Huawei Nova 7i. And both phones is running on Android 10. We have a Color OS version 7 on the Oppo Reno 3 Pro versus the EMUI version 10 on the Huawei Nova 7i. And you can see Huawei Nova 7i, it is faster when it comes to booting up, while the Oppo Reno 3 Pro, now it is also done about 1 or 2 second difference there between these two devices. And Huawei Nova 7i, again, it is a lot cheaper phone than the Oppo Reno 3 Pro in Pakistan market. And guys, you can see that both phones give you a very beautiful screen to body ratio display, but we have a full HD Super AMOLED display on the Oppo Reno 3 Pro with the dual cameras inside the punch hole display, which is on the left hand side, while the Huawei Nova 7i comes with a full HD IPS LCD display, but we have a single punch hole display, which I really like on the Huawei Nova 7i, and it is also on the left hand side. Everything is closed up in the background, and you can see no app is running in the background, and also same Wi-Fi network on both phones. And the first application we have is the phone dialer on both phones. Here we go. That is a little bit faster on the Huawei Nova 7i, very fast animation on the Nova 7i versus a really smooth animation on the Oppo Reno 3 Pro. Settings, and again little bit faster on the Huawei Nova 7i. Mic lock on both phones, and that is again little bit faster on the Nova 7i, followed by the Reno 3 Pro. The calendar, faster on the Huawei Nova 7i again. My files, and that is faster on the Oppo Reno 3 Pro this time. Let's see Amazon shopping, and that is about the same on both phones, and you can see no difference there. Maybe Nova 7i, it is just a tiny bit faster there. Let's see the scrolling, and you can see feels very smooth on both phones, no lag whatsoever. The Snapchat on both phones, and that is little bit faster on the Nova 7i, and you can see we don't get any Google Play services. Spotify, and that is again little bit faster on the Nova 7i, followed by the Reno 3 Pro. The Instagram, faster on the Nova 7i, huge faster there. Now let's see some games application, and first on the list is the Candy Crush Saga. And we have a Huawei Kirin 810 chipset versus a MediaTek Helio P95, and you can see Huawei Nova 7i, it is huge faster there, while the Reno 3 Pro, it is also right behind there. Subway Surfer, and that is again faster on the Nova 7i, and you can see huge faster there, while the Reno 3 Pro, now it is also done about 2 or 4 second difference there between these two devices. So last game application we have is the Temple Run 2, and definitely Huawei Nova 7i, it is a beast phone in this price range, one of the best phones in this price range without the Google Play services. And you can see that about 1 or 2 second difference there in this application. The Twitter on both phones, and faster on the Nova 7i again. Zech, and that is faster on the Huawei Nova 7i, and you can see followed by the Reno 3 Pro. And last time I'm launching the cameras on both phones. Here we go. Faster on the Huawei Nova 7i, followed by the Reno 3 Pro. Let's see the internet browsing speed. I am using default Huawei internet browser on the Huawei Nova 7i versus a Google Chrome on the Reno 3 Pro. We have wikipedia.org first website, and you can see faster on the Reno 3 Pro, super faster there, followed by the Nova 7i. Let's see the scrolling, feels very smooth on both phones. Let's see the RAM measurement on both phones. Both phones give you a 8GB of RAM, so very interesting to see who is performed better in the RAM measurement. Both phones is on their latest software version. We have phone dialer, that got refresh on the Reno 3 Pro. Settings, and you can see no refresh on both phones. Mic lock, let's see the calendar, refresh on the Reno 3 Pro, my files, refresh on both phones. Let's see Amazon shopping, Snapchat, no refresh, Spotify, seems like refresh on the Reno 3 Pro. You guys are the judge of the speed test. Instagram, let's see the Candy Crush Saga, no refresh on both phones. Subway Surfer, no refresh. Let's see the Temper Run 2. Let's see the Twitter, Zach. And last we are back to the internet browser where we left that is not refreshed on both phones. Overall, I have to say that the app's opening speed it is definitely faster on the Huawei Nova 7i because the chipset it is a lot better on the Huawei Nova 7i. RAM management is absolutely incredible on the Huawei Nova 7i, but many applications seems like refresh on the Reno 3 Pro because we have this white background when I open the app. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Oppo Reno 3 Pro versus the Huawei Nova 7i, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.